companies have gotten more and more interested in integrating some sort of blockchain technology into their operations. And this has become more apparent as over time as companies have taken out patents, they've filed trademarks in certain sectors of crypto, specifically NFTs. Now, NFTs have been an absolutely growing area, and they've gone beyond just the digital images that we've come to know in the early days of NFTs, right? Now, this giant in industry has actually taken out a pair of patents protecting two of their brands in the NFT sector, and you may have heard of this. General Motors, okay, GM actually hits very close to home. I currently work at a Chevy dealership on my 9-to-5 job, so I don't have any inside info on this, but I thought this was very interesting, and again, it hit close to home. So they filed two trademarks to help protect their prominent brands, Cadillac and Chevrolet. Obviously, they still have Buick and GMC, which I'm guessing those may be coming in the near future as well. So what they have done is they've filed these applications to cover NFT authenticated media files. So this is including but not limited to audio, video, or digital artwork. Now, again, I don't have any inside track as to why they're trying to protect this or, if they have some plan in the future with this sort of integration into, further launches. But I do see it as kind of an interesting thing. It just adds validity to what NFTs are doing at this time, to actual blockchain technology. You see this happening, all throughout the industry at this time. Again, more patents, more trademarks. And in fact, this isn't even the first time that GM has done this sort of thing. The company actually filed a previous trademark application 2 years ago, looking to leverage blockchain in setting up a decentralized distributed map for its vehicles. Now, we are still early in this space. NFTs are still a growing, untapped market. Okay, people are still discovering what you can even do. NFTs by nature are non-replicable, and this is a big part of why companies are interested in the use case that it presents. So it's an interesting thing to watch. We'll obviously see how it unfolds, but thought I'd share this with you guys. Hopefully you found it interesting. I definitely did. Appreciate you guys as always. Definitely do make sure you show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.